So here we go. We're going to talk about your new YouTube channel and how to make it work. And the first, well, not the first, but one of the most important things you can do is consistency. It is the super secret sauce, the thing that you have to have when you're a brand new YouTube channel. I mean, you're figuring it out. You're trying to build something from scratch. And trust me, showing up regularly is either going to make or break you. It's not just about throwing up a video whenever you feel like it. Consistency is what turns your channel into something that people actually care about. So grab a snack and let's break it down. First off, YouTube's algorithm is like a friend who only notices you when you're around all the time. If you're dropping videos once in a blue moon, the algorithm's not going to vibe with you. It loves channels that post on a schedule, whether it's every Wednesday or twice a week. When you're consistent, YouTube's like, oh, this person is serious. And it starts pushing your videos out a little harder, a little more, to more people, more views, more subs, more growth. It's like planting seeds and watering them regularly. You can't just dump water on once and expect a forest. It takes a little bit of time. But it's not just about the algorithm, it's your audience. They're human beings, not robots. People crave routine. Think about it. You probably check your favorite creator's channel on specific days because you know they're dropping new stuff somewhere around there. If you're inconsistent, your viewers are going to get annoyed or worse, forget about you. Like imagine if your favorite show just aired episodes whenever they felt like it. You'd stop caring, right? Same deal with YouTube. If you tell your audience new videos every Friday and you stick to it, they'll start showing up like clockwork. And that's how you build a loyal crew. Consistency also helps you figure out who you are as a creator. When you're just starting, your channel's probably a bit all over the place, and that's okay. Are you doing vlogs, tutorials, funny skits, posting regularly? Posting regularly forces you to hone in on what works. And you start noticing which videos are popping off, which ones your audience likes, and how to make your content tighter. It's like practicing a sport. You don't get good by playing once a month. You got to keep at it, mess up, learn, and improve. Oh, and let's talk about trust. When you're consistent, you're telling your audience, hey, I am reliable. And that builds trust. And trust turns random viewers into diehard fans. If you're flaky, people won't take you seriously. But if you're dropping quality content on a schedule, they'll start to see you as a legit creator, not just some rando with a camera. Plus, it shows you're committed, which makes collaborations with other creators or even brands more likely down the road. Now, I get it. Life is busy. Filming, editing, posting feels like a full-time job. And believe me, it will. But even if you can only manage one video a week, stick to it. Make a plan. Set a schedule. And treat it like a promise. Consistency doesn't mean you have to post every day. It just means showing up when you say you will. And over time, that rhythm builds momentum. And before you know it, your channel's growing. Your audience is hyped, and you're actually having some fun doing it. So yeah, keep it consistent, and you'll see your channel go from 0 to hero in no time. And if you are serious about getting your channel started off correctly, I've got some free downloads in the description. Download them today. They are free, absolutely free. Work through them. Couple worksheets I think you're going to like. It will get you pointed in the right direction. And when you go in the right direction, you will have nothing but success. That is it for me today. Take care, everybody. Go do something great. And remember, there are no ordinary days. I am out.